Hello dear students, this is Professor Ganesh Shinde and today we will complete remaining part of our previous lecture, that is packaging of fruits and vegetables. In a previous lecture we were discuss about the introduction about the packaging material, definition of packaging material, as well as what are the different packaging materials are used, as well as what are the selection criteria, what are the benefits of packaging material, and we discuss about the natural material, natural and synthetic fibers, wooden boxes, wire bound crates, and corrugated fiber board boxes. Now we are discussing about the remaining part of packaging material. In that, first one is a plastic containers and the paper trays. In plastic containers, there are the different plastic materials are used for the packaging material, like polypropylene boxes, stretch or cling wrap, molded plastic, plastic bags, shrink wrap, rigid plastic packages. This is the different plastic materials are used. In that, first one is a polypropylene boxes. Polypropylene corrugated board can be used easily for horticulture produce, which adds added advantages of this material is that it can be reused quite a few times. And when you see the carefully that boxes, it is a water resistant or moisture resistant. That's why it is used for the hydro cooling or water cooling purpose. It is easily stacked, it is reusable. That's why polypropylene boxes are quite suitable for different market. Then second one is a stretch or cling wrap. This is accurately a polypropylene and polyethylene film which has been property that under tension it stretches, and when the tension is released it comes it back into its normal position or normal form. This property helps in packaging the product tightly. The whole operation can be carried out without application of any heat, just only create a tension that it expands, and when any produce can be placed inside it, the tension will be released and it come into its normal form, and it should be body tight, means the fruit or vegetable tightly hold this. And it is mostly suitable for the cabbage, fresh cut vegetables, as well as the sweet corn, baby corn, or different produce. Then third one is a plastic, molded plastic or plastic crates. It is reusable boxes molded from high density polyethylene, are widely used for transporting produce in many countries. They can be made to almost any specification. They are strong, rigid, smooth, easily cleaned, and can be made to stack when full of produce and nest when empty in order to conserve the space. Despite their cost, however, their capacity of for reuse can make them an economic investment. When you think about the molded plastic, that time you must maintain the or carefully handle the go and return service, because of if you send a 10 crates to the market, and if there is a dispute and if 9 crates will be returned back, that time there is a 1 crate lots. And these molded plastic are used in many ways. It is used in field, it is used in storage, it is used in kitchen, means there are the lots of the uses. That's why the pilferage is more in that packaging material and its cost is high. That's why if you purchase in large quantity, that time it is economic, and if you purchase in a small quantity, that time there is some difficulties, or there is an uneconomic. Then next one is the plastic bags. Plastic bags, most of the polypropylene films, are the predominant material for fruits and vegetable consumer packaging material. Besides a very low material cost, automated bagging machine further reduce the packaging cost. The film bags are clear, allowing for easy inspection for of the content and readily accept high quality graphics. Plastic films are available in wide range of thickness and grades and may be engineered to control environmental gases inside the bag. The film material breathes at a rate necessary to maintain the correct mix of oxygen, carbon dioxide, and water vapor inside the bag. Since each produced item has its own unique requirement for environmental gases, modified atmospheric packaging material must be specialized engineered for each item that respond to temperature and control the mix of environmental gases. Then the shrink wrap. Shrink wrap means it is one of the new newest trend in produce packaging in the shrink wrapping of individual produced item. Shrink wrapping with an engineered plastic wrap that can be reduce the shrinkage, protect the produce from uh, disease, reduce the mechanical damage, and provide a good surface for the stick on level. Shrink wrapping has been successfully used for the packaging material for the potato, sweet potato, onion, sweet corn, capsicum, cucumber. This method, vegetables are wrapped in heat shrinkable plastic film. The main advantages of film wrapping of vegetables are it reduces the weight loss and extend the shelf life, reduced chilling injury, minimizes the vegetable deformation, reduced decay by preventing secondary protection of packaged produce. This is the some of the advantages. Then next one is the rigid plastic packages. When most of the time you see the rigid plastic packages for the strawberries packaging, that with a top and bottom that are heat from one or two pieces of plastic are known as a clamshell. Clamshells are gaining in popularity because of they are inexpensive, versatile, provide excellent protection to the produce, and present a very pleasant consumer package. Clamshells are very extensively with pre-cut produce and prepared salads. It is mostly suitable for or commonly followed in the strawberries as well as the kiwi fruits, grapes. Then next one is a paper or plastic film. Paper or plastic film is often used to line packing boxes in order to reduce the water loss of the content or to prevent the friction damage. The next one is a paper pulp tray. containers made from the recycled paper pulp and a starch binder in mainly used for small consumed packages of fresh produce. Pulp containers are available in a large variety of shapes and sizes and are relatively inexpensive in standard sizes. Pulp containers can absorb surface moisture from the product, which is a benefits for small fruits and berries that are easily harmed by water. Pulp containers are also biodegradable, made from the recycled material and recyclable. When you use a paper pulp tray, that time if the additional moisture on the surface of fruit, that time this paper pulp tray will be absorbed. Then next one is the paper and mesh bag. Consumer packs of potatoes and onions are about only produce item now packed in paper bags. The more sturdy mesh bags have a much wider use. In addition to potatoes and onions, cabbage, turnip, and some specialty items are packed in mesh bag. In addition to their low cost, mesh bags has a advantage of uninhibiting airflows, good ventilation in particularly beneficial for the onions. However, bags of any type have several various disadvantages, like uh, large bags do not palletize over, and small bags do not efficiently fill space inside the corrugated fiber containers. Bags do not offer protection from rough handling. Mesh bag provide little protection from the light and the contaminants. In addition, produce packed in bags is correctively precised by the consumers to be less than the best grade. Then most important packaging material is the modified atmospheric packaging, because of it is asked for your semester and exam. Related to the packaging material, questions ask like that: define packaging, list out the different packaging material, and explain any two, or explain modified atmospheric packaging or CFB boxes. Other than this, explain the packaging material which suits to the international standards. In that modified atmospheric packaging, rigid plastic and the CFB boxes are mostly suitable for the international trends. Modified atmospheric packaging does control the gas concentration like O2 and the CO2 in the atmosphere surrounding the commodity. Oxygen and carbon dioxide can be controlled by the chemicals like polymers type or physical thicknesses, characteristics of the film, and holes in the films. Oxygen and carbon dioxide flux through the holes is proportionally greater in magnitude than water vapor and the ethylene flux, because of the flux is driven by comparatively large concentration gradients. Oxygen diffuses faster than CO2 holes on the accounts of their greater diffusion coefficient. In concentrate in construct, all plastic films are relatively more permeable to CO2 than O2. Both CO2 than O2 reactive gases can be chemically scrubbed from packages and filled with inert gas like nitrogen. In the modified atmospheric packaging, different films are available for the MAP, MAP means modified atmospheric packaging. Low density polyethylene, high density polyethylene, polyethylene cast and oriented, rigid PVC, ethylene vinyl acetate. The different methods of creating the modified atmospheric conditions, in that commodities generated, or passive modified atmospheric packaging and the active packaging. Now we will discuss the grape guard, which is only suitable to the grape. Grape guards are chemically treated with paper sheet using the active ingredients anhydrous sodium bisulfite. Anhydrous sodium bisulfite. Paper guard paper, grape guard paper is a special chemical treated cellulosic antifungal paper that regulate the release of SO2 concentration at around 80 ppm for over 12 weeks at a time in each individual cartons of grape. Their function is to preserve the quality of grape in store and transit by control of decay. Grape guards improve quality by obtaining sturdy, bright, and unshriveled appearance of fruit. There are the two types are available. First one is a quick release grape guard, and second one is a dual release grape guard. Quick release grape guard retard the decay development up to 3 weeks at 0 degree Celsius. At it can helps for a few days to control decay without refrigeration. Dual release grape guard can be used for decay retardation up to 12 weeks in storage or transit with refrigeration facilities. It is effective at 0 degree Celsius. For the and at the time of packaging, there are the different wrapping materials are used. Most of the time old newspaper as well as the butter paper and the foam net are used for the wrapping of individual fruits, because of some of the fruits skin are the sensitive, and for increasing the market value, increasing the quality, and to increasing the appearance, that time also these wrapping materials are used. Or when we packaging, that time sometimes cushioning material is also used in that papers as well as the foam net. Other than this, paddy straw, wheat straw are used for the cushioning materials. Cushioning, what are the advantages of cushioning material, or what are the benefits, or why cushioning materials are used? Because of the cushioning material avoid the bruising to individual fruits. It create the own environmental condition to that fruit. That's why bruising is avoided, respiration transpiration losses is minimum. That's why the different cushioning materials are used. Just like this, these different individual wrapping or cushioning materials are used. That's why, just like in that images also, when we placing the individual fruits, that time the fruits is not bruised and its quality will be maintained for the longer time. Thank you for the listening the video. If any queries or doubts, then you can message or call me. Thank you.